In today's industry, businesses face different kinds of challenges, from fast-evolving regulatory landscapes to aging assets and deteriorating infrastructure. Ongoing maintenance, failure prevention, assets integrity, and conforming to standards and regulations require a lot of continuous efforts, top expertise, and latest technology. For all our services, expertise and technology have been at the core of everything we do. At Arise Global, we partnered with the best inspection technology developers around the world to provide a comprehensive range of inspection services and solutions, including and not limited to long-range ultrasonic testing for examining hundreds of meters of pipes from very few test points for maximum efficiency, pulsed eddy current for detecting flows and corrosion in ferrous materials hidden under insulation, rapid motion scanner for corrosion mapping evaluation of storage tanks, pipelines, pressure vessels, and other critical equipment. Short-range ultrasonic testing for detecting corrosion on plates and pipes that are inaccessible due to support structures. Tube inspection, utilizing different techniques. Acoustic emission for assessing active corrosion, cracks, and leakages of vessels under pressure, storage tanks and pipelines. Acoustic Pulse reflectometry for evaluating the integrity of tubes in heat exchangers, boilers, and chillers. Magnetic flux leakage for tank bottom inspection and other applications. Arise Global also provides solutions for visual inspection of confined spaces or hazardous locations with the use of high-tech robotics. We also provide lifting inspection, third-party inspection, HSE monitoring and supervision, engineering and assets integrity services. Arise Star Egypt, top expertise, latest technology.